product. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just got my hair straightened, but since I'm in Florida and the humidity is terrible, it's already starting to poof up a little bit. But one second. I just got out of Sally's and I got this dye. If you can see it. It is rose gold and I'm gonna be dyeing my hair. I'm so excited. I'm gonna be doing it myself. Well, me and my friend are gonna do it. Hopefully I don't fry my hair off, but I guess we'll see. All right, so the rest of the video is gonna be a voiceover of how I dye my hair rose gold. So first I have some gloves. Next, I grabbed 2 packs of the Quick Blue bleach. I also grabbed a bottle of the Salon Care developer. And I also got a bowl and a mixing brush. And I got both of those at Sally's. Next, I got a bottle of the Silk Elements Neutralizing Shampoo, also from Sally's. The next thing I got was the actual box dye, and I picked that up from Target. And lastly, I grabbed 2 combs just to help with parting and detangling. In this next clip, I went ahead and I dumped 1 pack of the bleach into the mixing bowl. And then I grabbed the developer, and honestly I didn't measure it out. I just kind of eyeballed it, and I mixed in the developer until it became like a yogurt-like consistency. So once I had the concoction mixed up nicely, I asked Bria to actually bleach my hair for me. So she sectioned off my hair and applied the bleach mixture to the ends. And as you guys can see in the video, I wanted to keep my roots dark and have it kind of fade into that rose gold color. So that's the look that we're going for. So once the bleach was applied, I tied a grocery bag around my head to speed up the bleaching process. And I would have used saran wrap, but I couldn't find it anywhere. Side note, I definitely look like that Toad thing from Mario Kart, which is annoying. But I waited 45 minutes before rinsing out that bleach with the neutralizing shampoo that I showed you guys at the beginning of the video. This is what my hair looked like after rinsing out the bleach, and it is not light enough, so we're gonna bleach it one more time. So the exact same process as before, I grabbed another pack of bleach, mixed it with a developer, and Bria reapplied the bleach all over my hair, and I waited another 45 minutes in hopes that my hair would turn to that blonde color that I was going for. Then I rinsed out my hair using a different shampoo. This time I used the OGX brand, and it's supposed to brighten and take away that brassy look. So this is what my hair looks like after I bleached it the second time, and it's still not as blonde as I would like it to be, but I mean, the show must go on. So now that my hair is as blonde as it's gonna get, we are moving on to the dyeing process. So here I mixed bottle number 2 into bottle number 1, and I just shook it up, and that is the concoction that we're gonna use to dye my hair. So all Bria is doing here is coating all the blonde parts of my hair with the dye, and then she's going back and running her hands through it just to make sure that each piece is saturated. Here's what we're looking like before I rinse my hair out one last time. And this is the final product. I don't think it's rose gold, but it's supposed to be. Comment down below what color you guys think it is, because I'm not sure. But yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video and learned how to not dye your hair. Don't dye your hair like the way I did it. But yeah, I will see you guys in the next video.